We value community over
competition in the classroom.
Ada's goal is getting thousands of women and gender expansive folks into software development jobs each year.
Ada is more than just a boot camp.
We are breaking barriers
and taking up space.
It's a transformative community of doers and dreamers that support each other.
Working together instead of competing.
Ada does everything in its power to make sure you feel like you belong here. It has absolutely changed my life.
It's tuition free, so it's financially very viable.
I'm an immigrant. I've never thought that I could be a software engineer.
I've recruited people from my cohort, they've recruited me. It's been a really great network to have.
We rolled out into the world and we said, we're 80s, people knew that. People knew who we were.
On average, Ada alum incomes increase by 193%, with an average starting salary of $125,000.
It's given me the financial freedom to be able to make choices and have stability in my life and in my future.
I've got lots of technical chops now. I could develop web applications, I can make e-commerce stores, but I could also communicate more effectively.
Ada's goal is getting thousands of women and gender expansive folks into software development jobs each year. And that is economic justice that benefits us all.